Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. Today we are making M&M cookies. I am going to do just a little bit of a tweak up of the Jessie, which is the cookbook by Jessie James Decor. She has the best chocolate chip cookie recipe. I am going to tweak it up just a little bit by adding some M&Ms, and I think it's festive. It is springtime. I love all the pastel colors, so I think these are going to be perfect. So start with popping my butter into the microwave because I very rarely ever bring it out in enough time to let it just sit and get room temperature. So I've added in my baking soda into the flour, mix that up, and then you get your butters and your sugars all creamed up together. I'm preheating the oven to 375, and these are quick cookies. Like, they cook in literally 10 minutes and they are absolute perfection. And the recipe is really easy to follow. I will share my take with it in the description down below for you. So if you try it, let me know, come back into the comments and let me know what you think. So here we're adding in the flour and baking soda just a little bit at a time, and then I'm going in and adding in the chocolate. Now, what I did was I personally prefer less chocolate chips in my cookies, but this recipe called for 2 cups total of chocolate. So I started with half of the chocolate chips, half of the M&Ms, and then I went back in and I ended up adding in another half of the M&Ms and another half of the chocolate. When I took inventory of the batter, I thought, you know what? We need a little bit more chocolate in this bad boy. So we went ahead and added that in, and it looks perfect. I like to lift up the top of the mixer and just get any of the extra batter off the paddle. I think it just mixes it a little bit more. And look at how yummy this looks. I only wanted to make one batch of cookies, so I put the rest in the refrigerator, and then we can have warm cookies over the next couple of days whenever we want. And how good do these look? So yummy. All right, so if you've been with me for a while, you know that I love Christmas decoration. I go all out for the holiday season, but I did do a little mini haul from Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago. So I'm bringing out all of the things that I had purchased. I'm laying everything out so I can kind of remind myself, number one, of what I had, and number two, I can just kind of take inventory and then see where I want to place all the things. I definitely enjoy spring outside and love getting all of our plants and flowers, all of those things in the yard, in the garden, but it was a lot of fun to get some stuff inside for spring as well. so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love if you would give it a thumbs up, comment below, and if you have not subscribed to Charlani TV, I would love it if you did. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!